Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch an introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. As previously mentioned, it's time to go back to the chord progressions using 1st, 4th, 5th and 6th. I introduced the last week the chord on the 3rd that was never explained and never used until now, and today we have to play and explain the 9th chord progression using 1st, 4th, 5th and 6th. We completed the package of 6 chord progressions using the 1st at the beginning. If you've watched all the previous videos, you should know what I'm talking about. And we started exploring the ones having at the beginning of the chord progression the 4th. I already played for you and explained 2 chord progressions having the 4th at the beginning. Today is the 3rd or 9th in general out of the 24 chord progressions, coming out by moving simply these 4 chords and having fun, but applying a very simple mathematical and logical principle. Let's dive into the lesson. Here we are. Indeed, as mentioned, we are going to carry on. We are going to write the 3rd chord progression using the 4th at the beginning. I write 4th. Then now I don't need anymore the 1st at the 2nd place, but I want to place the 5th. And I write the 1st here, and I confirm the 6th, same as we did the very first time. In this way we are going to the next lesson, we are going to have again the 4th, the 5th again, and simply invert the remaining 2, same as we did here. Now let's see if you like the sound of this chord progression, and let's play it together. As usual, we start from the root position on the right side, and we can keep the left hand in this position. Thumb on the C, little finger on the F. In this way we cover all the notes that we need. Let's start playing this chord progression, starting from the F major in root position. As usual, let's analyze what I did. Moving from F to G, I have nothing in common, because they are 2 consecutive chords, 1 second apart, and obviously they can't have anything. Because you see, these ones would be F and G, and it's mathematically impossible that they have something in common. So I apply the contrary motion as usual, and I do. Bass goes up, all the notes all the way down, looking for the closest position, which is this one. But then G has something in common with the C, the G itself, so I hold it down and I move the remaining 2 up. Then, moving from the C to the A minor, the 6th, I have 2 notes in common, E and C, so the G will go up to the A, same as the bass will go down. That's all, let's play it again. Let's start from the F in 1st inversion. It would be. Let's analyze also this one. So moving from F to the G, nothing in common, all the way down. Then from G to C, I save the G and I move up the remaining 2. Then C and A have 2 notes in common, that are these, and I simply move up the A. Let's move now to the 2nd inversion, so F major and 2nd inversion at the beginning. Obviously you could play it even 1 octave lower if you prefer. Let's analyze as usual. Maybe I use now this position for the analysis. So, F major 2nd inversion, moving to a G, 1st inversion, nothing in common, contrary motion. Then anchor the G, move the other 2 up, and then save C and E, and moving up the G to the A. Let's play all of them now, not stopping, giving a little bit of rhythm, but also another thing is not only about rhythm. You have to know that the length of each of the chords can vary. You can choose which one of these has to be 4 beats, 2 beats, it's up to you. This is a simple structure. It's a simple practical exercise, technical exercise to help you develop your own ones, but you can stay 8 beats on one, 4 on the other one and 1 on the other, and then combining with many other chord progressions, because then it's not, the goal is not this one. This is a simple basic exercise trying to help you connecting the chords, but then your masterpieces won't simply come out by simply connecting the chords in this way. The development is yet to come. The real authentic development is yet to come. So let's play now all of them, not stopping, with a bit of rhythm. F major in first inversion. For example, for me this is the most interesting one in terms of a melody that comes out. Now second inversion. As I said, also here could be possible. And that's all we can do with these 4 chords in this order. I really hope you have enjoyed the lesson, that you are understanding everything and applying these principles, that you are playing and creating songs or using this chord for the accompaniment of the songs that you like. Let me know if you have discovered which ones are the songs using these chord progressions, as I mentioned at the beginning and as I am mentioning probably in every single lesson. Let me know how it is going. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. All the best.